Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my new video. Today we are drawing the boss baby. So let's begin. So we are using red lip marker 707. So let's begin. So let's start our video. So please, Tasina, draw a circle. Not a right circle, just draw the upper line, then the face, then the ears. And draw like what I will draw. Yes, you're doing. And it is not very comfortable for you, I know, but don't be take so pressure on you. It's just for fun. Yes, go ahead. Then keep the underlines, the finishings of the hair, then the face. And be careful, it is very hard. No. So draw as I show. Yes, you're doing. Yes, go ahead. Then draw the eyes with small watercolor sign paints. And the color we are using is Dom's color pencil. Then draw the body with small sign paint. Then draw the legs and shoes. Then draw the thighs of the coat. Then the hands. Then draw. Then we're going. Yes. Yes, then border it with the boot. Then be careful that if the marker doesn't go on the hands. So hurry up. Then I'm helping you wait. We shall use ash and silver for the shading. Have you done? Yes. Then we will use white marker pen. It will be available in Amazon. I'm helping. Wait. Hello everyone, so we have finished our drawing, the boss baby. So if something's wrong, please comment in description box. and like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. You
Like, comment, share, subscribe our channel, please.
bye.